if I told you that 80% of B2B founders hit a hard revenue ceiling that they can't break through, no matter how hard they work? I'm Tony Quinner from Scaling Founder and Connect Digital, and I recently worked with a founder who was stuck at $2 million annually, despite working 70-hour weeks and hiring additional sales reps. After implementing this framework, I'm about to show you they grew to $8 million annually with just 7 additional reps, instead of the 16 they had projected. Today, I'm revealing the scalable sales system that's helping smart B2B founders break through their revenue ceilings in 2025 and beyond. If you're a B2B founder working longer hours but not seeing proportional growth, finding that adding more sales reps doesn't solve the problem, and feeling like you're the bottleneck in your business, this video is specifically for you. The uncomfortable truth is that what got you to your current revenue won't get you to the next level. Let me show you how to transition from founder-driven sales to a scalable system that creates predictable, sustainable growth. The fundamental problem most B2B founders face is system dependency. This typically manifests in 3 critical ways. First, hero-based selling, relying on individual talent, relationships, and heroic efforts rather than repeatable processes. This creates initial success but inevitable plateaus as you grow. Second, tribal knowledge. Critical sales information, objection handling, and best practices exist only in people's heads rather than documented systems. This makes scaling and training new team members nearly impossible. Third, inconsistent execution. Different team members approach similar situations in a wildly different way, creating unpredictable results and customer experiences. This system dependency isn't just inefficient, it creates an invisible ceiling on your revenue that no amount of hard work or additional headcount can break through. This system dependency is creating serious consequences for your business. First, linear rather than exponential growth. Your revenue increases are directly proportional to hours worked or headcount added, creating a fundamental scaling limitation. Second, excessive founder dependency. You become the bottleneck for decisions, approvals, and customer interactions, making it impossible to truly scale. And third, slow new hire ramp up. Without documented systems, new sales reps take 6 months plus to become productive versus a 6 to 8 week possible with systematic onboarding. Fourth, inconsistent performance. Wide variations across your team create unpredictable revenue and frustrated customers. And fifth, the most critical, burnout and diminishing returns. You're working harder than ever for increasingly modest gains, creating a sustainable crisis in your business. The founder I mentioned earlier, they had hired 3 additional sales reps but couldn't break through the 2 million bracket because each rep operated differently with no systematic approach or shared best practices. That's the scaling ceiling that B2B founders hit. Now, let me introduce you to the scalable sales system framework, the 4 pillar approach that's helping B2B founders break through their revenue ceiling. Pillar 1, process documentation, capturing your most successful sales approaches in clear step-by-step playbooks that anyone can follow. Pillar 2, team alignment, creating consistent rhythms, communication protocols, and accountability systems that keep everyone moving in the same direction. Pillar 3, tool optimization, implementing the right technology ecosystem that supports rather than complicate your sales process. Pillar 4, performance management, establishing clear metrics, goals, and review systems that drive accountability and continuous improvement. When implemented correctly, this framework transforms your sales approach from individual heroics to systematic excellence that can scale predictably. Let me show you how this works in practice with that founder I mentioned. They were stuck at 2 million despite adding sales reps and working around the clock. We implemented the scalable sales system framework. First, we documented the entire sales process in comprehensive playbooks, capturing exactly what worked in prospecting, qualifying, presenting, and closing. Second, we implemented agile sales methods with 2 week sprints, daily stand ups, and visual pipeline management for complete team alignment. Third, we optimized the sales stack, eliminating redundant tools and creating seamless integration between the essential platforms. And fourth, we established a balanced performance measurement system with clear metrics at all levels from activities to outcomes. The result, our new rep ramp-up time decreased from 6 months to 6 weeks. Performance consistency improved dramatically, with 80% of reps hitting quota versus 40% previously. Most importantly, they scaled from 2 million to 8 million with just 7 additional reps instead of the 16 they had initially projected. All from building systems that amplified individual talents rather than depending on them. If you're hitting a revenue ceiling in your business, I've created a free scalable sales system blueprint that includes the system dependency assessment to identify your scaling bottlenecks, the 4-pillar implementation guide with specific action steps, a 90-day scaling roadmap templated to prioritize your initiative. The link is in the description below. And if you're ready to completely transform your business from founder dependent to systematically scalable, check out my comprehensive B2B sales growth hacking masterclass in Udemy. Module 8 is entirely dedicated to scaling your sales machine with these exact strategies and more. Hit subscribe and the notification bell and get more strategies for breaking through your revenue ceiling. And let me know in the comments what revenue level you currently stuck at. I personally respond to every comment. This is Tony Koenig from Scaling Founder and Koenig Digital, and I'm committed to helping you build a business that can scale beyond your personal capacity. I'll see you in the next video and keep on scaling.